Hi everyone, this is Prasad Reddy, School Assistant Maths, ZPHS, Pathakadapa. Today I am going to explain how to construct circumcircle to a triangle. For this, I have taken the problem. Construct a circumcircle to a triangle with the sides 9 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 8.5 centimeters. Yes, here is the construction. First of all, we can draw a line segment of length 9 centimeters. Yes, this is a line segment of 9 centimeters. And we are going to name it as AB. This is A and this one is B. Now take A as center with radius 8.5 centimeters. Draw an arc. Now take B as center with radius 8 centimeters. Draw one more arc. Yes, this is another arc. These two arcs intersect at some point, and name point of intersection of two arcs as C. Now we are going to join AC and BC. First of all, I am going to join A with C. Next, I am going to join B with C. Now I am going to draw perpendicular bisector to the side AB. For that, I am taking A as center with radius more than half of AB. Draw one arc above AB and one arc below AB. Next, take B as center with the same radius as previous. Draw one arc below AB and one arc above AB. This is not intersecting with the previous curve, so I am going to extend previous one. Now join point of intersection of these arcs to get the perpendicular bisector of AB. Yes, this is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Next we are going to draw perpendicular bisector to the side AC. For that, first of all, take A as center with radius more than half of AC. Draw one arc on left side of AC and one more arc on right side of AC. Now I am taking C as center with the same radius as previous. Draw one arc on left side of AC and one arc on right side of AC. Now join this point of intersection of arcs to get perpendicular bisector of AC. Now mark point of intersection of these two perpendicular bisectors as O. Now take O as center with radius OB or OA or OC. I am taking OB as the radius. Yes, OB as the radius. I am going to draw a circle that passes through both C and A. Yes, this is the circle and this one is the circumcircle to the triangle ABC. Now see the steps in construction. Draw a triangle with AB equal to 9 centimeters, BC equal to 8 centimeters, CA equal to 8.5 centimeters. Draw perpendicular bisector to the side AB. Draw perpendicular bisectors to the side AC. Mark point of intersection of above two perpendicular bisectors as O. Take O as center with radius OB. Draw a circle that passes through A and C, which is required circumcircle. Thank you. Thank you for watching.